Hello everybody, today we're going to be opening up a new Star Trek ship. This is a Corgi model. It is the Klingon bird of prey. This came out in, I believe, 2006, so these models are getting harder and harder to find. Got the bottom of the display stand. We have the other part of the stand, so you can see it. There's that. There it is. Klingon bird of prey. I believe the guns are plastic. Give a close up of it. There we go. So it's about 5 inches wide. It's almost exactly 4 inches long. It's all metal, except for the, like I said, the guns feel plastic. So I think it looks really cool. Thanks for watching the video. I have more ships along the way, and I'll have a better camera set up. That way I don't get so many shadows and stuff. So thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again. Thank you.